morning, my dear students. Today in this video I am going to explain the elimination method. Elimination method means how to solve the pair of linear equations by using elimination method. From the sequence, this is the third method. First method is graphical method, second one is substitution method, and third one is elimination method. How to solve pair of linear equations in this method? For example, 2x plus 5y is equal to 20, 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. These are two equations. First, you have to check whether they are consistent equations or not, because consistent equations are having solution. So solution is exist or not. First of all, you have to check each and every problem. Then only you have to proceed. Either substitution method or elimination method or graphical method. Any method, first of all, solution is exist or not, you have to check first one. Here, this is, here a1 by a2. a1 by a2 means 2 by 3. b1 by b2, 5 by minus 2. c1 by c2, 20 by 11. So exactly these are not equal. 2 by 3 not equal to 5 by minus 2 or minus 5 by 2 not equal to 20 by 11. So these are not equals. By observation we can say these are consistent equations. So solution is exist. Solution is exist. So by using this elimination method, how to solve these equations? My dear students, you first of all, each and every method, you have to understand the logic. What is the logic here? Here 2x plus 5y is equal to 20, 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. First of all, we have to decide. One variable should be deleted or one variable should be cancelled. How to cancel? By using addition or subtraction. This is the equation 1. It is equation 2. We should add these two equations or subtract these two equations. These two operations we have to do. You should add or subtract these two equations. Then one variable should be cancelled. That is the process. No chance. You should not multiply equations. You should not divide equations. Only we should add or subtract. Then only we have to cancel one variable. How it is possible? Here, suppose if you add these two equations, 2 plus 3, 5x, 5 minus 2y. Here this is plus 3y. What do you observe? Here x is not cancelled and y is not cancelled. You try once by subtracting. It is not possible. We can't cancel any variable. How we have to cancel now? That is the logic here. So we have to equal the coefficients. Here you see 2, 5 are coefficients, 3 minus 2 are coefficients. They are completely different coefficients are there. Are you understanding? Two equations are having two different coefficients. Here x coefficient is 2, x coefficient is 3. How can we cancel this? If you add, we can't. If you subtract, we can't. Like this, y also, different coefficients are there. So, we have to equate the coefficients. Suppose, I want to cancel the variable x. I am assuming that I want to delete or cancel x variable. So I have to make equal coefficients of x. Understand? The coefficients are actually 2 and 3. They are not equal. Now we have to make them equal. Equate the coefficients. How it is possible? Anyone can guess? Yes, it is possible. Equation 1 we have to multiply with 3 and equation 2 we have to multiply by 2. Understand? Now, if you multiply equation 1 by 3 means 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Y is equal to 3 20s are 60. You remember this? If you multiply with one number, we have to multiply all the terms. X term, Y term and constants. Now we got one more new equation, that is third equation. And now equation 2 we have to multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6, 6x. 2 2s are 4 minus 4y. 2 11s are 22. This is fourth equation. What is the logic here? I made x coefficients are equal. Here, if you observe, these are different. Now, these are equal. By multiplying 3 and 2, I got these two equations. When equate the coefficients, what we have to do? Whether plus or minus. When we can cancel these terms, by adding you can cancel or by subtracting you can cancel. Both are same symbols, plus plus, both are plus. If both are plus, exactly you have to subtract, remember this. Both are having same signs, same symbols, then we have to subtract the equations. Now, third equation minus fourth equation means 6x plus 15y is equal to 60. 6x minus 4y is equal to 22. When we are subtracting the equations, we have to change the symbols. This equation here already we have plus, it is becomes minus. It is minus, we have to change this as a plus. Here this is plus, we have to change minus. Remember? So we have to change the symbols of down equations. Now it is plus and it is minus. Now we have to cancel. What about 15 and 4? Both are having plus. Remember this. When both are plus, we should add, no subtraction. 15 plus 4, 19y. Here actually this is plus, it is minus. You have to subtract. Different signs are having, you have to subtract. same symbols are having, we should add. Remember this. 60 minus 22. How much here? 38. Now y is equal to 38 by 19. That is 19 ones are 19 twos are 2. Y is equal to 2. We got y value. Understood? Now how to find the x value? Already we got y value. We substitute y value in all these equations. You can get same answer. First equation, second, third, fourth. If you want, you substitute in any equation, you can get the x value. Now I am substituting y is equal to in the first equation. Here, substitute y is equal to 2 in equation 1. Equation 1. 2x plus 5 into y value is 2 is equal to 20. 2x plus 10 is equal to 20. 2x is equal to 20 minus 10. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Now x is equal to 5. We got this answer. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. So this is the elimination method. Elimination means we should eliminate one variable. We have already two variables, x and y. You try to eliminate any one. Suppose if you want to eliminate y, you should multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 5. If you want to eliminate y variable, first equation you have to multiply by 2. Then 5 2s are 10. Here this is second equation by 5. Here also we are getting a 10. Plus 10 minus 10. Then we should add these two equations. Not subtraction. Different signs are there. Then first equation plus second equation. Then y should be cancelled and we can get the x value. Same x is equal to 5. This is the process. My dear students, here the important logic is, if different coefficients are there, how to make equal coefficients, that is the logic. Remember this, that is the main logic in this process. Then you can get. Now if you have any doubt, 2 and 5, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to, you substitute in all 4 equations, they will satisfy the equation. Now I will example 2, 5, 2 5s are 10 here, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 10, 20. Here this is 3x, 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 15 minus 4, 11. Exactly our answer is correct.